Come on in. I'm starting soon. Hey guys, if you can hear me, type a one, please, so that I can get started. Come on in. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the one stock that I feel in a crisis like this, it should go up, have more revenue, more profits, and go up. And in the normal times, like there's no crisis, it should do well as well. Okay, so why I feel that I'll share that with you later on. Okay, come on in, come on in. Thank you, thank you. Can you hear me? Give me a good sign. Give me a good sign if you can hear me. Yeah. Okay. Uh, uh, um, Remember to like and share and this video because I think you will help a lot of your friends to benefit from it. Why I say this is because this is like last week I talked about SIA and things like that, and also last week on Monday I talked about uh, gold to go up, crude oil to go up, and it did, right? And I didn't know that it was going to go up on Monday, right? Then Monday it went up, Tuesday it went up, Wednesday it went up, and for the rest of the week, right? And I talk about be careful of the US stock index on Monday last week, and it did went down, right? So I would say if you go and check my Facebook Live on this page, okay, I say the exact things on Monday last week. So this week I'll be doing the same, and I will be sharing with you my take on the gold, crude oil, and also the US stock market as a whole, the indexes. But mainly is I want to talk about one stock that I feel in a crisis is very good to buy and hold, and in a for long term or for short term trading, up to you, right? So because what I feel is that uh, um, hold on, I need to do something here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So what I feel is that let me give you the stock first. Okay. The stock is SE. Okay, SE. What is SE? Let me just Google it and show you. Okay. Let me share my screen over here and let me do it this way. Yeah. So if you can see this, okay, SE is talking about a stock that is how to say yeah, over here. Can you see it? Okay. SE is a company that do gaming and also owns Shopee. If you heard of Shopee before, right? It is a company that uh, part if you look at here the statement C Limited is the company lah, okay, C Limited is the company, but the symbol is SE, listed in the US stock exchange. Okay, so C Limited partner with Activation and Transcend to launch the hugely popular Call of Duty. Okay, I don't play Call of Duty, I heard of Call of Duty, right? It's so famous that I heard of it. So and they launched the mobile in Southeast Asia and Taiwan. I can tell you, Call of Duty. I don't do I don't play this game. Even though last time I do gaming, but I did not play Call of Duty or whatever. But I know that mobile is the way to go. Okay, and since Call of Duty is very famous, even I don't play it, I heard it before, and now they launched the mobile version. I would say the take up rate should be quite good. Okay, the take up rate should be quite good, and it will in the future be a very good revenue generating model for them. Okay, and not only that, okay, the company e-commerce segment has gained traction and uptake in Shopee. Okay, is up 112% year on year in the fourth quarter of 2019. And we need to understand human behavior. Human behavior when we are locked down or we are in circuit breaker and things like that. Uh, we have nowhere to go. We have to go online. And when we go online, and those who like to shop and buy things, they will have to do it online as well. They can't do it offline. So Shopee should benefit from such a user behavior. Number one, okay. Number two is even without such a user behavior, Shopee is already one of the top shopping online shopping platform in Southeast Asia or even in Asia. Okay, so it should establish itself even more through here. If for me example, okay, I don't use Shopee until the circuit breaker started. I started my account and I've bought some stuff from Shopee as well. And if you ask me, if, I open up all my things like the Q10 and everything. I feel the user interface for Shopee is much better, and the pricing wise is much better compared with the other uh, uh, um, platforms that online shopping platforms. Okay, that's my take. Okay, and good for them. Their marketing is doing well, and I particularly if the first thing that come in my mind if I want to buy something online, I will definitely go to Shopee app. Okay, so just to show you why I say this is why I show you why I say this is because um, over here let me show you. Okay, um, let me show you another screen. Okay, so this is the screen that talk about me and my students trading it. Okay, so I just want to show you here. Okay, I'm buying Shopee shares. Uh, symbol, things like that. We can trade short term and long term, blah blah blah. And basically we make profits. Okay, we make profits. Last Friday, okay, we my students and things like that. We have traded Shopee, SE, and a profit also. Okay, so this is something that so what I'm trying to say is sorry, I had an important call keep ringing, so I need to answer it. So, uh, um, I'm actually doing it. My community of traders are actually doing it. So I want you to know that this is not something that I just say and we don't do anything about it at all. It's something that we do trade and we do uh, put our money into what I say and trade it and make some money from it. Okay, so that's Shopee. Let me straight away go into what I say the market. Okay, outlook for this week only, just this week. Okay, how do I see the crude oil, gold, and even the US stock market stock indexes moving towards? Okay, because last week I was pretty much 100% correct. Okay, not all the time it happens. Okay, but this is just one of the times that I talk about. Okay, on Monday that it's going to go up, and the crude oil is going to go up, and it did go up. I talk about gold is going to go up, and it did go up. And trade according to this, and we did right. So and also the US stock market as well. Okay, so after a short correction from the US stock market, okay, what do we expect from this market correction, right? So should we expect it to go down? Should we expect it to go up? Okay, so I like to share that with you right here. Okay, let me share my screen if I can. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, let me just do this as uh, okay, never mind. Let me just do this as a day chart. Okay, very short term. Okay, this is the Dow Jones Index. This is the Dow Jones Index, and based on the Dow Jones Index, um, this is going up. Okay, this is going up, and it seems like uh, if you look at this, this is actually I would say from Monday it went down, right? It still stayed down for the week last Monday. Okay. So what is going to be happening this week is from Monday to today. Okay, most likely it may be a little bit sideways, but start to tweak up a little bit. Okay. So Dow Jones is a little bit tricky here. Unlike gold and crude oil, which I will share with you later on. Why I say this is because Dow Jones or the US stock market or even the S&P, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, this week is a little bit tricky in the sense that it may be a V shape or a inverted V shape, meaning it could go up and come down, or it could go down a little bit then go back up. Okay, for the rest of for these 5 days of trading. So I would say the most likely scenario here is that Monday, Tuesday, it should go up a little bit. Okay, and for Dow Jones, it should test and break above 24,000. Okay, 24,000. So after it test and break above 24,000, there may be selling pressure for it to come back down a little bit. Okay, so pretty much if you ask me, I'm pretty more neutral on the US stock market, not so much as giving you a direction because I'm sorry to say this, but last week I give you clear directions, right? And that is because last week it was very clear cut. This week the US stock market is not so clear cut, so I will be slightly overall I will be slightly more bullish. Okay, I'll be slightly more bullish. I will be looking to trade up as of today. Okay, and tomorrow I will be looking to trade up and see whether I can get in to trade at a good price. Okay, so that's my take for US stock market. And let me show you crude oil, gold. Okay, let me show you gold. I want to show you gold is because right now we are on Facebook Live. Okay, right now we are on Facebook Live. So let me show you a little bit why I see crude oil still going up, because I have student today morning text me can sell gold or not. I think gold has even today, tomorrow, or even up to Wednesday has room to go up. Okay, I'm pretty bullish for gold for this week. Okay, I'm pretty bullish for gold for this week to go up. Okay, so yeah, for those of you out there who trade gold a lot, maybe you want to look at gold to trade up, right? This one is pretty I would say pretty clear cut. A little bit of selling pressure in the very short term, in between like uh, 6 hours time frame or things like that. For the whole of this 1 week, but I'm pretty bullish overall. Okay, I'm pretty bullish overall. So the next one will be I do it quickly and not to hold your time too much. Okay, if you have any questions, type in the box later on. Okay, remember to share this. I think you're getting really good value, especially if you compare with my last week Monday Facebook Live, where I forecast exactly the movement of gold, crude oil, and US stock index. Guys, people have to see this. Okay, people have to see this. Your friends have to see this to help them, right? If they are trading secretly, you don't know, you share it with them. If they are already trading, you know, you share and tag them. Why I say this? Because this is going to give them trading ideas. What if you have shared my last Monday trading Facebook Live? You will have helped them already. Correct or not? So please share and tag. Okay, show your love for your fellow friends. Okay, let me continue with crude oil. Crude oil overall, I am particularly bullish. Like last week, I said that I'm particularly bullish on crude oil, and it did. Okay, it's going to continue up. Okay, the next phase, I think it will test, especially last week. If I'm not wrong, maybe I remember it wrongly. I didn't go and take a look at the recording. If I'm not wrong, last week I did say it would test $30. Okay, right now I'm going to revise it and it will test 35. Maybe not this week, but it will test 35. Okay, in the near future. Okay, maybe next week, maybe next month, I don't know, but it will test 35. Okay, for crude oil futures. Okay, crude oil futures. So right now it has already broken 30 as what I have mentioned. Okay, I may be wrong. I may be wrong. I may have mentioned it to my private inner circle people. Okay, I may not remember it correctly, but basically, uh, in the near future, maybe not this week. Okay, maybe next month or the month after, or even later, it will test 35. I'm particularly bullish on crude oil. Okay, so thank you so much. Remember to share and like this video. Like I said, go and help people, your friends or things like that, to know more about the markets and know what is going on about the markets. And very importantly, especially your trading and investing friends, let them know what let them have more trading ideas, basically. Okay, this I'm just giving you where I think the market is going, and you can form your own trading ideas from there. I think it will be very helpful for traders, because last time I don't have something like this. Okay, so remember, SE, I feel, is a very good trade. Okay, whether it's short term or long term to buy. Okay, and I have given my take on this crude oil, gold, and also the US stock market. um, Thank you so much. I can see that there's no questions. Thank you for attending, everyone. Most of you are my students. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys maybe tonight. If I have time, I have something to share, then I'll do that. If not, then see you tomorrow. Okay. It's either 11 or at maybe 7 or 8. Okay. So up to you. Okay. Sometimes and before I go live, I will normally post 30 minutes or 1 hour before that. Okay. So remember to like my Facebook page so that you get notification. All right. So thank you so much. Thank you. So everyone, remember to share this post in your timeline, and let people know about this forecast. I think it will give them a lot of trading ideas. Thank you so much. See you guys.